children, and without going into the political issues of the moment, which are weighty, hawa, Mheshimiwa Gachagua, are your grandchildren. A lot of them. Watoto wetu wachanga sana. Uchungu mwingi. I liked what the area member said. Let's not ask God questions. Let's pray. We have a nation to mold together. I never like pretense. There is tension in this country. Political tension. So moderator, tuombe Kenya. But when the moment comes, aliyekuwa makamu wa rais, mzee amelala, Mwai Kibaki will always be there for the people of Nyeri. Tutakuwa nanyi. Bila uoga, bila chuki, mambo ya changamoto kubwa hizi